Welcome to the stain that nightmares are made of. I guess a sticky note was left here, it got wet, and left a ridiculous stain that does not want to come out. If there's anything that demonstrates how hard it is to stay afloat with repairs while making progress on actually improving the house, it's a tough stain that's from a sticky note of all things. Today we're going to go through an easy way to remove stains like these, and I'm going to get rid of this eyesore. To do so, you'll need baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. It's suggested to mix it in a bowl, but that just sounds like more dishes, so I'm just going to mix it on the counter on the stain. You just want to get the baking soda nice and wet with hydrogen peroxide so that you don't have any dry baking soda and you don't have any hydrogen peroxide just spilling out. Once you have everything all nice and mixed together, just ensure that the stain is fully covered and leave it until the baking soda is completely dry. This can take up to 6 hours, but feel free to leave it longer. Just see if the baking soda feels dry before you remove it. After a couple hours, you can already see the pink fading. This is a full day later because why not? It looks night and day better, as you can see. I was even able to remove the stain on the side of the sink by sticking the mix all the way down where it had a little river of pink nonsense. It's a bit hard to see with the lighting, but I do have a vague pink segment still on the top because it was such an intense stain, so I may have to repeat this process on that little area. Realistically, most stains should be completely gone by this point. There aren't even traces of it in the baking soda, it just kind of pieces out. Hopefully this helps you get rid of whatever you're dealing with. Have a good one.